Welcome to the Hindu article of 26th January 2021. Split in the middle. Oil's authorization style bodes ill for fledgling democracy in Nepal. The political crisis triggered by Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli's decision to dissolve Nepal's parliament and call fresh election led to vertical split in the ruling party, with the rival faction led by Pushp Sharma Dahal Prachand sacking Mr. Oli from its general membership. The Prachand faction of the Nepal Communist Party had removed Mr. Oli as the party's chairman earlier. It had issued a notice to him seeking an explanation for his decision and to recommend parliamentary dissolution, to which he did not respond. Following this, the Central Committee of the Prachand bloc met on Sunday and decided to expel Mr. Oli. His aides have rejected this, saying their leader remains the PM. This input Nepal and its fraction communist movement in limbo. Mr. Oli has claimed that he represents the party, while Mr. Prachand and Madhav Kumar Nepal, the former PM and leader of Mr. Oli's erstwhile Communist Party of Nepal (UML), have ruled out any future compromise with the PM. The constitutional validity of the decision to dissolve parliament is being reviewed by the Supreme Court. Also, the Election Commission will decide which fraction could retain the party's name and symbol, the sun. The decision will have a lasting impact on which side would emerge stronger. Mr. Oli was elected PM in February 2018 after his CPN UML fought the 2017 general election in an alliance with the Maoists. Within months of coming to power, the CPN UML and the Maoist center of Prachand merged to form the Nepal Communist Party, which gave him nearly two-thirds majority in the parliament. But the pre-election unit did not last long. When the government has formed, the tacit understanding between the CPN UML and the Maoist was that Mr. Oli and Mr. Prachand would share the 5-year term. But Mr. Oli refused to step down after 2.5 years, pushing the NCP into the bitter intra-parliamentary feud. The widening rights was not along the former UML Maoist ideological lines. Rather, Mr. Oli authoritarian style of the government and refusal to share the power led to the erosion of support for the PM in the topic echelons of ruling party. To overcome his own weakness within the party and deny his rivals power, he dissolved parliament. It is typical case of greed for power and personality clash, trumping over the greater interest of the party, a government or a nation. When they formed a united front, it was a historic opportunity for Nepal's otherwise divided communist or to script a better future for the fledgling republican democracy. In 3 years, Nepal is in chaos. Parliament has been dissolved The PM has been sacked from the ruling party. The party is split down the middle. Mr. Oli cannot escape responsibility for crisis of Nepal is in today. Thank you.